Hello everyone, myself Chirag and I am a security analyst at CyberSapiens. Today we are going to discuss about the Security Operations Center domain. So this will be a series of videos where we will be covering the different modules under Security Operations Center, also known as SOC domain. Let's get into the introduction part of Splunk. So what exactly is Splunk? So as per the definition, Splunk is nothing but a software which processes and brings out the insights from machine data as well as other form of big data. Let's look into the installation steps. So officially when we try to install Splunk, first of all, you need to visit this particular download page of Splunk from their official website. Okay. And next, from there, you need to get the Splunk MSI file. Since let's understand some of the differences between the false as well as the true positive alerts. So you can see the overall chart over here.
Performed like where intruder, he tries to gain access to a network, and once he gets access to the network, basically he tries to remain undetected for a certain extent of time. So his goal will be usually to monitor the network activity, and then he's going to steal the data which can cause impact to the organization. So these are some of the common incidents that we come across and their mitigations. Now let's understand some of the common attack vectors through where this type of attacks are actually performed. So basically we are going to understand the loop points over here.
So this is how your MITRE framework actually looks like. And we also have the official link for MITRE framework. So this is the MITRE framework, and total it has 188 techniques and 379 sub techniques for a particular enterprise. Now let's understand the overall life cycle of threat intelligence. So speaking about the threat intelligence life cycle, as you can see, there are 6 phases over here. So let's understand the very important certifications that one should pursue for this domain. So we have security plus certification, the plus certification, and we CompTIA CYSA plus certification. Then you have the certifications from EC Council, and then from CyberOps Associate. This is for the SOC as well as network